Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys a quick recipe on how to make chia seed pudding, also known as bug pudding. Okay, let's get on to the video. Start off by adding half a cup of any type of milk that you would like. I just used plain milk, but looking back on this I wish I used chocolate almond milk, but add it to a container that you wouldn't mind eating the pudding straight out of. Add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, honey, or agave, anything goes. You don't even need the sweetener if you don't want, but yeah. Mix it all up. This is optional, but I added a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it all up again. Again, this is optional, but I added 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. It might be a little bit chunky, so you might want to use a whisk to mix it up. Add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. When chia seeds soak in a liquid overnight, they turn into a jelly sort of texture, and it's definitely an acquired texture, like you might not like it the first time you try, but I do recommend this recipe. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and good night. It's 2:17 a.m. Okay, so it's now the next day, and don't ask me why I woke up so early. I think it was for some school thing. Anyways, just give it a little bit of a stir, and you should be good to go. There you have it, your chia seed pudding. You can add a couple of fruits or like granola or something on top of it. I just added some strawberries. And that's it. There you have your bug seed, chia seed, whatever, pudding. It was super quick and easy to make, and it's a really filling breakfast. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video next Friday. Bye!